It's been almost 3 months after Super Typhoon Yolanda devastated most parts of eastern Visayas. Rehabilitation efforts in areas heavily hit by the typhoon is now underway, but the psychological effect it has brought to the lives of those who survived the disaster will take time to heal.
That's right, Amelin. Because of this, the Human Capital Development brings to the country a therapist and coaching expert to teach Yolanda victims some exercises to help them cope with tension and trauma that they are experiencing right now. So to tell us more about this, we have with us on Daybreak trauma releasing exercises expert Chris Balsley. Good morning, Chris, and welcome to Daybreak.
Thank you. It's an honor and a privilege.
Thanks for coming in to tell us all about this. I think it's very admirable. You're helping Yolanda victims overcome this trauma. So how do you plan to do this?
Our main goal through being here through Human Capital Development's invitation is to teach trainers to teach this method. So we'll be coming in, we are here with a team of 17 volunteers, and our goal isn't to do work and then leave. Our goal is to train trainers and have them training once we leave here.
Okay.
So that there will be actually a group of people that continue the work after we leave.
Okay, so you will be, there's about 17, 18 of you, and you will be training some people who will be doing the exercises with the Yolanda victims, correct?
Exactly.
Okay, and how long will this training go on for?
I'll be in the Philippines for 3 weeks. We'll be covering 8 trainings while we're here. Each training is 3 days long, and then the people that graduate from the training will do 2 days of community service.
Okay, great. And you will be training them the TRE, Trauma Releasing Exercises. What exactly is that?
Trauma releasing exercises is a revolutionary new process to get rid of stress and trauma in our lives. Everybody has some degree of stress or trauma. We have some level of anxiety, some level of stress, and when it gets out of control, it becomes trauma. So there's lots of ways to help, but usually they require one-on-one work with another person. TRE can be taught to a large group of people, and you don't need to tell the story again. It's just simply a physical response to stress. So after you do a series of 6 basic exercises, you lay down on the floor and your body begins to tremble. And the tremble is literally a release of stress and tension.
So how was TRE created? I mean, what kind of exercises are these? We understand there are six postures or something.
Yes.
And why would you tremble when you do these exercises? I mean, after one session?
We're designed to go through stressful, difficult times in our life and come out the other side. It's called resiliency. It's how we get stronger. But sometimes it overwhelms us and we can't do it and we can't get stronger. There's a physical impact in the body. We contract in, we hold it, and we say, no, I'm fine.
Right.
There's nothing wrong with me. And we have all the issues. We can't sleep, we have nightmares, we can't digest our food, and the quality of our relationship suffers. But the impact in our belief is in the body first and foremost. So the TRE removes the stress in our body, and it does it through gentle shaking. And when you sit up after this gentle shaking, you notice that you're different. Your body is softer, your relationships get better, your digestion improves, nightmares go away, and back pain. Most of back pain is stress related, and so back pain can go away.
Right, right. So it's some people who have anxiety or like high level of stress that probably take some medication. This could be, this could be an alternative for that. But is it something that you do every day? The 6 exercises, is it something that you do once a day, twice a day? How often can you do this in one day or in 1 week?
It's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Everybody holds stress in a different way. So some people have a high-stress life. You know, we live in a world where bad things happen. As we know, typhoons hit, businesses go bankrupt, people die, things happen. And so when that occurs, we all let our tension go in a different way. Some people do it twice a day, 3 times a day. Some people do it once or twice a week.
What are these? What's an example of a TRE exercise?
A TRE exercise would be sitting up against a wall and just leaning against a wall with no chair under you until your muscles fatigue. And the whole goal isn't to do exercise like you're going to get stronger by working out. We just simply warm the muscles up. So it's very gentle. Anybody can do it from 80 down to the age of 4.
So it's basically just a way to release that stress. So there are what do you call it, postures?
Basically postures,
to
yes.
remove that whatever is a pent-up anger or pent-up stress.
Correct.
Oh, okay.
And the brilliant part of it is that there's no belief system behind it. It's not spiritual, it's not religious, it's science. Do these exercises and your response to stress and trauma will go away.
Yeah, since you said that it's science, where did this come from?
These were founded by a man named Dr. David Berceli. He was, for example, Mother Teresa's driver for 2 years. He spent 18 years in war-torn countries, and he witnessed travesty after trauma, after destruction in the world that tore apart cultural fabric. And he realized there's a lot of good stuff out there to help, but it all requires a one-on-one relationship for multiple sessions. He said, we've got to do something fast, and we got to do something that we can teach to large groups of people. So he discovered the trauma releasing exercises, and through those, one person can teach many people very quickly.
Right. How long has it been around?
In the form that you see now, about 5 years, but he started working on it about 20 years ago.
Okay.
Wow. And I'm just, Chris, have you done this in other countries before?
Yes, I've done it in all sorts of Southeast Asia countries, Taiwan, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, India, Canada, United States.
It's quite interesting that when you describe the exercise, it seems like it's something easy. But how come it will take 3 months? Or it's because like the number of people you'd like to reach in order for them to teach this particular exercise?
So it takes probably 3 days of training to really get a sense of what it feels like for you to do these exercises. Because once you figure out for yourself, then you can begin to help other people. So first and foremost, TRE is self-help, self-administered method to self-regulate, to bring you back to a sense of center. It takes about 3 months to understand what it feels like inside of you so that you can recognize it in other people. Now, because of the need, we are reducing the certification time down to 3 days and 2 days of community service. So this is the fastest way on the planet right now to get certified in TRE.
Who can be a trainer?
Anybody can be a trainer. Mothers, teachers, first responders, military personnel, anybody who experiences stress and trauma in their lives and who come in contact with other people who have the same issues.
Now, when the victims, when they do the exercises, do they do them in groups or do they do them individually?
It's designed to be done in groups. That's the most powerful way to do it, because that way we're not focusing on a single person, a single individual. We're just simply teaching a group of people an exercise.
Yeah, it's also like community building and
at least get together and together you heal.
Exactly.
And you could share your stories if you need if you feel the need to do
Exactly.
so. We're looking now at some of the exercises, and it does involve a lot of shaking, but it looks like you do need somebody to assist you as well, so that you'll have the proper form. Is there such a thing? Or there's really no way for you to not do it right?
You can't not do it right.
Okay.
So people see the shaking and they see small shaking, just tremoring, and some people see a lot of big movement. The human judgment is to say, oh, bigger is better. And it's not. Shaking is good. Some people, like you see here, shake very small vibrations. And some people have big, full body responses.
And again,
It all depends on how you hold stress in your body.
Okay, and again, that is when they're releasing tension. That's a sign that it's coming out of their body.
Exactly. We say in our language, shake it off. Or I was so scared I was trembling in my boots.
That's
Right?
true. We do have that.
We know it's in our
do say
language,
that.
but
Yes.
we've originally seen it as a weakness. And now it's seen as a strength. So we're doing the opposite of what our brain says. I'm shaking. I should stop shaking. No. Shaking, let's see if we can increase the shaking, because it's our body's natural and inherent way to get rid of stress.
For those who are, not Yolanda victims, but they know that, like me, I know that sometimes I could get so angry and stressed. Is there a way for us to learn this technique?
There's going to be community days offered throughout the Philippine area for the next 3 weeks and after I leave. You can come sit down and do the exercises in an hour to 90 minutes, between 90 minutes and an hour, and walk away and be completely different. I can tell you honestly, in this line of work now that I've trained probably 8,000 people, every time we open a training, we see nothing short of miracles. Not everybody has a miracle, but in every training, we see complete transformation in people.
So who can they contact, and what is the schedule of these training exercises, and how can they participate in it if they want to?
So the schedule of the training is there's going to be 6 3-day trainings in the Philippines. We're doing 3 in Manila. Every week we're going to be doing one after the other. Then we're going to have Tacloban and Bohol, Iloilo, and Zamboanga. And I think there's now something coming up in Cebu, which isn't going to be, it's going to be the community days where people can just go and learn it.
Okay, and these are for volunteers, people who want to volunteer and be able to teach these exercises to the Yolanda victims.
Correct.
Correct. So for anyone, for people out there who want to volunteer and help out the Yolanda victims, this is a great way.
This is a great way for
Great way
you.
to do it
Yeah.
because you get to learn the exercise I mean, it's
Yourself.
like yourself,
Yeah.
and you get
You're
to
healing
teach it.
yourself and helping others
And helping
heal
others
themselves as well.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much, Chris Balsley, for coming into Daybreak and telling us all about this. And best of luck to you and your team.
I really appreciate it.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
man. It's been an honor and a privilege.
Thank you again.